Hey there, welcome to today's video. I wanted to show you another great use for your ball, for your stability ball, besides sitting on it and postural work. You can do a wall squat with it to give you a little bit of back support while you do your squats and holds and that kind of thing. Alright, so different size balls work for this, but what you want to do is put it on your wall and then put it, the curve of the ball obviously, in your lower back to support your lower back. Walk your feet forward a little bit, like so, and have them about hip width apart. So that when you come down, you have this pretty good 90 degrees, but your back is pushing against the ball and supporting you, keeping your posture good here. Good way to make sure your posture is good with that. Take some pressure off the knees for a lot of folks, right? And it makes this fun squishy sound of the paint and the ball, but it does work those legs pretty good. And you could add weights here and do curls and different things as well. You can stay here and hold it and really get a nice burn in your quads and then come up and squeeze. So you can vary that and play with it, but it's a fun way to use your stability ball and a little bit of space on the wall to work the legs a little bit more. So enjoy that. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe to the channel and have a great day. Thank you.